ZIM, Kenny the Fish is looking at puts. Kenny the Fish, I would agree with those puts. We did already start to break down. You have a little more movement here. Your first target is 1950. That's only a 30-cent move. But if this thing really flies through this thin zone, we're looking at 1821 as your downside in ZIM integrated shipping. Next up, we got to get to Ken 45 because, like I said, it's Ken's birthday and he's looking for UPST to go lower. So Ken, UPST already tapped the bottom of the volume profile. I'm to be honest, Ken, I'm rooting for you, man, but I'm a little neutral here because I wouldn't be bearish unless we get that break. Look how we wicked here. So that's using the bottom of your value area as support. Again, I'm neutral. We got to start to break down the level that you have right here, 1489. So 15, if we start breaking down here, then you have a great thin zone to play down to 1344. I wouldn't be bearish yet. I wouldn't be bearish yet. And Spiffy Duffy is looking at ROIV. ROIV, Spiffy, this thing is ready to break out. We are breaking out this morning. This is above a big node here. I think this is an easy bull. I really do. I think this is an easy bull. You have your support here, and you can do the get back trade as we do in trade the close, where if you're wrong and we start breaking 850, short this thing down to the point of control. But I like that we broke above that node. I think it's bullish. By the way, speaking of Spiffy girly, if you were trading yesterday and trade the close, we had an early ping on a bear signal. Spiffy made the most she's ever made in her trading career, I believe, Spiffy. Prove me if I'm wrong. I believe 1,400% on that early ping, which is awesome. We tried to trade the follow through, which didn't work out as much as we wanted to. But Spiffy, congratulations! I'll be giving out those early pings more so on trade the close. Mark, let's bring you on here. ROIV is the one really talking to me. Are there options? Is it tradable? What's going on, man?
It does have options. It does not trade super actively, but where do you think? What's your upside here?
So I gotta pull a fib. We're looking at 928. So 950, I'd say.
950. All right, y'all. We're gonna look at the May 10 calls. They're 25 cents. Okay. All right. So you buy those for a quarter. This thing gets to 950. You flip them out at you take most of them off at 45, 50 cents and call it a day. And then see if you can get some follow through, run up to $10. You get a run up to $10, you'll be rustling up some dough.
Yes, you'll be rustling up that dough, man. All right, Mark,
Absolutely.
we're gonna hit the highway, cowboy, and go to some big money flow. What do you have for us today?
Let's do it. We're looking at USB, US Bank Corp. And we had some conflicting paper, but near term, we had a trader buy the May 37.5 calls. They bought 15,000 of them. But the kind of more alarming paper was the June put spread. A trader bought about 30,000 of the June 30-25 put spreads. That is a pretty decent size order. I don't know why they bothered selling the 25 put. The 30 puts are only 55 cents, but they paid between 39 and 40 cents for about 30,000 of these. Pretty darn bearish. And another play on those, maybe another shoot a drop in those mid-cap banks.
Yeah, this will play out great for that put spread trader, more so than the call. Mark, here's your breakdown level. 34.45. We're a little above that this morning. Once we start breaking down here, you not only have the point of control, you also have another heavy volume bar, which makes it even stronger resistance. So this breakdown is looking real swell, Mark. Are you looking to turn this flow into some trading for your members?
I may. I told my Profit Revolution folks that we were going to take a hard look at this one after the flow yesterday.
I'm telling you, Mark, I could feel it. You and CJ are going to be on a hot streak. I just feel it, man. Yeah, your flow has been delivering so much in trade the close. CCL, for instance, You told me to
Yeah.
trade CCL. You know what? I sat on my hands on that one. Look at what happened yesterday. So and see
Yeah.
how
Not great.
CCL, it's not great, but look, that the point when you start breaking down the point of control, whoo, it can get nasty out there. So I see CCL continuing to break down as well. But when you see a large stream of money flow fly across your desk, how do you cut through the noise? How
Well,
do you
I
know
mean,
which one to
you've
pick?
got yeah, you've got to find the ones that are true Delta One trades. So it takes some time. I got to make sure there's no stock with it. Um, I want to know what the story is. I want to know maybe why stuff is going on. So again, we every single day, I don't get it, but every day someone is buying 10, 20, 30,000 contracts in CVE, Charlie Victor X-ray, and
Yes.
Charlie Victor Echo, excuse me. And I don't know the full story, but there is something big brewing here. I've got my traders in it, and I'm thinking that I'm wondering if this is a buyout candidate, and it's going to be trading. We're going to wake up and it's trading $30, something crazy.
Wow. That's really interesting, Mark. So you're seeing every day. It's is it the
Just
same
every
person
day
or
five. I don't think so. I don't think so, but I
huh?
think there's a few players in it. But every day, like 5, 10, 15, 20, something like that. Every day, like without fail. We'll see 10,000 more go up today, probably.